Hey John, sorry about the delay in my response getting this video out to you like I promised. So I want to make sure to get you a good video to show you an example of the noise that the camera does make when it's in the housings or the standard waterproof housing versus the frame housing. So what I have right here is the floating hand grip mount, and then the waterproof housing with the waterproof back door, the skeleton back door with the whole ports in it so you have open access to the mic for better audio recording, thumb screw of course, and then that's just my SanDisk SD card adapter. Alright. So just like you mentioned in your video, or that was noticed in your videos, once it's with the waterproof back door sealed in place, the sound gets quite muffled. Just the mic is sealed in the waterproof housing, and so it doesn't have open access, so it's picking more up on vibrations than direct access. If you move the camera around at all, or handle the thumb screws, any amount of friction or touch to it, will be picked up by the microphone, just due to the connection it's being made directly. Okay, so now we have it in the standard housing with the skeleton back door with the holes in it so that it gets access to the microphone port. You'll notice the audio is quite a bit better, because of the open access, but because of the waterproof housing, it still, picks up on the noise from any handling or friction or anything like that. Just holding it still, kind of moving it around a little bit, kind of makes that come through on the camera. It's noticeable enough. Okay, so I now have the camera attached to the handler mount. So this one's a little bit more padded. It's attached to a hand grip, so you're not going to notice, as much, instant contact with the camera. Like if you're going to touch it or move it, adjust it, that's normal. But as I use it, and point it around, and even if I shake it a little bit, it really shouldn't be making that much noise. I also do want to point out that the videos, including this one, is done in a quiet room, so the microphone's going to pick up on, the audio and focus on the audio that it's hearing. Whereas if you're in an outdoor environment, such as underwater, or at the carnival, or the theme park, something like that, or where there's going to be lots of noise, you're not going to notice, the housing noise so much because it's going to pick up on the audio from, all the noises around the camera. In time, our frame for our Hero 4 and Hero 3 is currently checked out, so I'm using the Hero 4 Session, which has great mics anyway, but as you'll see, it comes with this frame on standard, which is the same thing and the same design for the Hero 4 and Hero 3 Frame 2.0. It allows open access to the mics and all the ports inside the camera, and it just creates a better audio experience. Okay, so now the camera is in the frame mount. It's really not easy to tell at all. There's no changes in the audio or the difference there. I can move it around and I can touch the mount and I can handle the fingers a little bit more, and you just don't notice that same audio interference that you do with the waterproof housing.